give some advice to a dude who's listened to this thing. He's got a wife at home. He loves her. He stopped drinking because we talked about the relationship without alcohol. He's got the opportunity to build something magnificent with her alongside him, but he's afraid to actually connect with her because he doesn't know if he can trust himself. He doesn't know if he's going to be able to save the business because he made some stupid fucking decisions and mistakes. What would you tell that guy?
Do not hold yourself to a life sentence. You know, don't hold yourself to the life sentence. You messed up. You may be messed up more times than you can count, but your wife, you can make the choice right now as a man to step up, to be the leader, to be the man, and to completely change the entire future for not only yourself, but your family. And that's not something to take lightly. It is as simple as just doing exactly what you say you're going to do and having so much strength and conviction in what you're doing and what you're saying that even if your wife right now doesn't trust you, or maybe she's skeptical about it, that be so strong and be so confident and be so convicted in doing exactly what you say you're going to do that she has no choice but to totally believe in the truth, this new man that you're becoming. Because that's all it takes. It's going to take consistency of just being the fucking man, doing exactly what you say you're going to do. And it really is that simple.